no, it is still funny, Charlie.
It was fun. Oh my.
You made me punch through the wall.
It's okay, Charlie. We won't let them kill you, I swear. I promise. Here, hold my hand.
If I break it, I apologize now.
It's okay.
Get the fuck out.
It's okay. He's just looking over there. Ooh! What the fuck? Oh, you can't. You're good. You're good, Charlie. Oh, you have the tightest grip. It's okay. You're not hurting me. It's okay. You have to keep going forward because you don't want to go backwards.
Come on, man.
Oh my god!
That's awesome. That's fucking awesome. That is great.
Oh, he's showing man. No, hold on, he's showing a man.